roaring waters with a roaring flavor of fruit. Get your water in a pouch.
Respect the pouch! Respect it!
New crush cups. Check it out. I crush the alien. Well, I crush the director. I crush the tiki. I crush a Danimals Crush Cup. Huh? Yeah, new Danimals Crush Cups. You crush it and slurp it. Mmm, cool. No spoon? Nope. Just crush and slurp for a blast of fruity flavor. Mmm, awesome. I crush you crushing a Danimals Crush Cup. New Danimals Crush Cups. Danimals, get your blast on.
Welcome back, Kid Cuisine!
Let's keep the fun going with my Kid Cuisine All-Star Chicken Nuggets meal, made with white meat,
For a taste that can't be beat.
and my mac and cheese is out of here. Mealtime is fun time with Kid Cuisine.
Nerf. New from Nerf, the N-Strike Recon CS6, the blaster you can customize for any mission. For night.
The following emergency podcast has been broadcast state in Oklahoma, collaboration with the U.S. military. Please wait for the next emergency message. Exactly between 7:30 and 6:30 in the morning, a creature similar to Santa Claus was detected. This creature has killed more than 32 people in one night, and it is said that people have sighted it between 3 and 4 in the morning. It is said to be an almost exact replica of Santa Claus. If you have seen a strange creature resembling Santa Claus, do not approach him. Call 911. Pay closer attention to future messages about this situation.
Put signs on furniture and doors, or make a picture on the wall and then remove it all. No glue, no stains, no mess. Fenderoo's fantastic window art. Make gear for your action figures, or furniture and clothes for your...
Sip, sip, and pull them out and munch, munch, munch. All together now, dip, sip, munch. Fruit Loops cereal straws, colorful fruit-flavored cereal with a creamy coating inside. So fun to dip, sip, munch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
The wait is finally over.
We're going on a hunt. We're going on a
The Lori Berkner Band is back with more sing-along fun. It's Rocket Ship Run, the brand new album from the Lori Berkner Band with 20 exciting new songs.
bang, bang, bang from my hammer. And a turn, 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 my screwdriver. There's a paw on my saw and an eye on my drill. And
This album is not available in stores.
I wanna jump, 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 jump and fly. I wanna jump, 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 jump and fly. Talking to the animals.
You can order this collection online at MusicSpaceKids.com.
I am dancing all around my room.
So let the fun begin with the Lori Berkner Band's Rocket Ship Run. To order for $18.98 plus $5.95 shipping and handling, you can call the number on your screen or log on to MusicSpaceKids.com. Must be 18 or older to call or log on.
So you're looking for a new direction. You say you want to be the best by far. So don't you worry about your imperfections. Don't you know how strong you are? It's great to...
following message is a request for statewide Oklahoma cooperation with the state's National Guard. The creature called Santa Claus was discovered more than 5 days ago, and it was a replica. In those 5 days, the creature has killed more than 150 civilians. It was discovered that the creature is hostile and appears between 3 and 4 in the morning. The National Guard has taken action. Martial law has been imposed statewide in Oklahoma from 7 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Any civilian found outside their home will be executed. Pay attention to future messages about this dangerous situation.
And why is it impossible to get out the last drop of toothpaste? There's got to be a better way. Introducing Touch and Brush, the hands-free toothpaste dispenser that works with just a touch. Touch and Brush works with virtually any size tube and secures easily onto any surface in seconds without any tools. Watch. Press on the airtight suction cups. Insert your favorite toothpaste, then pop on the cover. There's no electric or batteries to replace. It's that easy. Touch and Brush neatly dispenses the perfect amount of toothpaste in just 1 second every time. So now sticky bathroom sinks are a thing of the past. The secret is our patented technology. As the toothbrush gently pushes the pump arm, vacuum force pulls fresh toothpaste from the tube and dispenses it right on the brush. The best part is...
The following message, a C4 device containing 10,000 nuclear blades has been detected throughout the state of Oklahoma and its cities. It could explode within the next 6 minutes. If you are within 5 kilometers of downtown Oklahoma City, seek shelter now. All radiation is spreading throughout the state. Shelter now. Telecommunications antennas, radio and television antennas, and even internet access will be switched off until further notice.
The following message is transmitted to the entire state of Oklahoma and its inhabitants. Officially, the state has fallen to the creature. All cities have been destroyed by the nuclear blade by the creature called Santa Claus. The surviving population is asked to flee the state to a forested area. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention. Transmission has ended. May God be with you.